Assalamualaikum everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys ay magluluto na naman tayo and ready na ang ating mga ingredients. For today's video ang lulutuin natin ang spicy beef mushroom spaghetti. Ito yung pinaka-favorite namin dalawang mag-asawa. So, dito meron tayong of course spaghetti. We have the minced beef, mushroom, onion, garlic, chopped red capsicum. We have also tomato paste, spicy pasta sauce. We have the dry basil leaves, dry oregano leaves, nor cubes, and ang ating salt, of course. So, wag na nating patagalin tong video na to and let's get started. So guys, let's start boiling water para sa ating spaghetti pasta. So, iwan muna natin dyan and let's keep it boiled little bit and mag-add tayo ng salt. And of course, oil para hindi magdikit-dikit yung ating pasta. Then, we will keep it boiled for quite some time. So, once nagbo-boil na ang ating water, pwede nating ilagay ang ating pasta. Then, haluin lang yan natin ng konti para bumaba yung pasta. Pero, wag masyadong halo para hindi maputol yung ating pasta while it's cooking. Let's cover up and wait until it's done. So, I think our pasta is done, guys. So, check natin. Yan, okay na yan, guys. So, I will remove it from the water. Then, same pan yung gagamitin natin sa pagluto ng sauce. Painitin lang natin yan sandali. Yung nakikita nyo mga parang ano dyan, water, it's an oil from the pasta. So, mag-add tayo ng cooking oil. Then, once mainit na yung ating oil, ilagay na natin yung onion. Then, kapag medyo reddish na yung onion natin, guys, isunod natin itong garlic. Mix lang natin, guys. Kapag medyo brown na yung ating onion and garlic, lagyan na natin tong minced beef. Ito guys, kaya ganyan yung kulay niya kasi frozen to. Wala ko yung fresh. So, ayan lang yung gagamitin natin kasi hindi pa kami nakapag-grocery. So, yan, halu-haluin lang natin yan, guys. Wait lang natin and takpan lang natin for the meantime. Then, i-check natin guys. Kapag medyo toasted na yung beef sa ilalim, we can add some salt. And maglalagay din ako syempre ng black pepper. Mix lang natin. Then, lalagay ko na tong mushroom. Then, i-mix lang din natin siya para maluto yung mushroom, guys. So, yan guys. Check lang natin tong ating beef and mushroom. Then, kapag okay na yan, lagay na natin tong Knorr cube. Mix lang natin. Takpan lang natin. Then, i-wait lang natin na medyo mag-reddish pa yung ating meat. After nyan, lagay na natin itong tomato paste. Konti lang. Hindi ko dyan uubusin itong tomato paste. Kalahati lang. So, mix lang yan natin, guys. After nyan guys, sunod ko na tong chili pasta sauce. Mix lang natin. Then, nilagyan ko lang ng tubig yung bottle ng ating chili sauce. Yan, ilagay natin ulit dyan yung mix lang natin yan guys. After nyan guys, ilagay na natin itong ating capsicum. Then let's mix it again. Parang ano yan eh, i-mix mo na insan, ganun. After nyan guys, maglagay tayo na itong ating dried basil. Then sunod natin tong dried oregano. Haluin lang ulit natin. Then after nyan guys, takpan lang natin siya hanggang sa mag-boil. And then I think after the boiling, okay na yan guys. So let's wait. So yan guys, I think this sauce is already done. Tingnan nyo naman guys kung gaano yan kasarap. So yan guys, magpa-plating na tayo. And I'll update you later kapag kakain na. So yan guys, ito yung pasta natin. Lagyan na natin ng sauce. Then maglalagay lang din ako ng cheese at ibabaw. Yung gamit kong cheese guys, it's Kraft cheddar cheese. Then maglalagay lang din ako nitong parsley leaves para okay na tayo. So, yan na. Ready na for eating.